Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to fix YouTube shorts like, comment, share button not showing problem. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, so let's get started. Now showing your problem. This is your problem. Now go back to your home screen. Now go to your phone setting. Scroll down little bit. Find here apps. Search here YouTube. Scroll down little bit. Tap on storage. You can see here two options, clear cache and clear data. Tap on your clear cache. After that, tap on your clear data. Delete all data. Now go back. Tap on permission. Tap on allow all permission. Your YouTube apps allow all permission. Now go back to your home screen. Go to your Play Store. Search here YouTube. Now your YouTube apps is already updated and latest version. Now go back to your home screen. Now go to your YouTube apps. Hopefully your problem solved successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys.